welcome back to Sunday Live Chain. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Muvhango from the 8th to the 12th of August 2022 on Monday. Tenda Muzimu sent Susan an email that implicates someone in framing her. Buchilo confront Azwindini about his affair with the Gugu. Oxford is concerned about Tenda Muzimu thinking he's lazy on Tuesday. Susan and Rendani's names have been cleared of wrongdoing, but who's going to take the fall? Rendani reaches out to Buchilo and the Azwindini to help them find the common ground. Oxford find himself in a very compromising situation with Mpo on Wednesday. Susan and Rendani are summoned to the royal house. Tenda must pick Ndiwabo up from James' house on Thursday. Hangwani threatens to divorce. Tenda is jealous of Oxford. The Azwindini want to fix things with Buchilo on Friday. Mpo learns that Tenda Muzimu thinks she is a loose woman. Azwindini apologizes to Buchilo. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.